how many people you know, your growth is that much. How many right who's you know, your growth is that much. That much. Remember that. So everything in your life is happened because of some who only. Everything in your life is happened because of some who only. If the right who can show the opportunities, right who can show the way, okay, to proceed further. Array, I will figure out, I will work very hard, automatically opportunities will come. That kind of thing is a very nonsense. Remember, you can go step by step on your own. But if someone is going to give the hand, is going to support you, then automatically, you know, you will go, you will grow a bit with the speed. So compulsory build whose network. That is the most important, man. Intentionally, today I want to meet a new person in this area. Tomorrow or in this week, at least one new person I want to spend. I want to spend my time with at least one new person. That thing must be required. It's a mandatory thing. Because the reason for that is, so they are going to show the opportunities, man. They will show the opportunities. They will show the solutions for your problems. They will open the doors for new opportunities. That's why create whose network very carefully. Very, it's a important like anything. Hurry, whenever the problem is coming, then you require to search for the people. No. So better to build your network. That thing must be very important, sir. Okay. Just 2 days before, we took the book, right? Have I remembered? What is the title of this book?
The power of who.
The power of who. How to build a network. How to build a network. Because the number of who's you know, automatically, you will get more clarity. Array. So just 1 year research you did. 1 year research you did. You did 1 year research. You identify some points. But that 1 year research is equal to just by spending 10 minutes a right person, that person is going to provide the same thing. Array, by spending last 1 year, I learned the same thing, but this person told in just 10 minutes only. Have you ever get such type of feeling, dosto?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
friends. Multiple times you are going to get. So a right who is there in your network, automatically your growth by default will be there. Just here by spending morning 1 hour or half an hour or at least 5 minutes in this session, how many things you learn, how many transformations are happening in your life?
Many.
Yes, friends, multiple. Just
Yes,
by
sir.
spending half an hour or 1 hour with me in this session, just because of this session, spending the time with me, you are getting some new things. Similarly, if another person is there in your life, if another 2 to 3 members are there in your life, can you please imagine how your growth will be? So that's what. The growth is going to be happened by the right who's only. Intentionally build network of who's. Sir, I want to figure out everything alone. I will do research kind of thing. I will find out the way, like these type of things are nonsense. How many things you are going to research? Your life is very small, man. Each and every activity you require to do means even you are going to burn 100 times, reborn 100 times also, you won't do any bigger things in your life. Because your mentality is I want to find, I want to do research and I will figure out everything on my own. Like this type of thing. No. Identify right who. Better to get. Better to ask him to do. Identify the right who. Delegate our activity. Or otherwise these people are going to show the ways to move faster, to grow faster. That's why I always recommended to spend the time with the successful people. Always recommended to build network. with the successful people. After 10 years, where you want to be. So you have some assumption. After 10 years, I will be in this. Today onwards, identify the people who already reached that position. Try to spend the time with them. Automatically, you will reach your 10 years dreamed position just in 1 or 2 years only. Because you are not required to give everything. These people already are going to show the way, shortcut ways. You are not required to do your trial and error mistakes. Because these people already did all those things. They have clear conclusions. They will guide you. And they will tell, if you are going to do in this style, this problem you are going to get. This is the correct way to doing. Like these people are going to guide you. No, I will research. I will figure out. I will do trial and error basis. Then instead of 10 years, it may take 20 years to reach that position.